Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can verify Apple Pay on Navy Federal. But before that, please do make sure to like our videos, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So over here you can see the Apple Pay is simply available a service in Navy Federal itself. So once you have got the access, you just have to hold your supported iPhone or iPad near a participating merchant's contactless reader to do the payment. So to do that, you simply have to access your particular phone, and you have to access your wallet. Once you have received your particular physical card or online card of Navy Federal itself, you're going to go to wallet and tap on the plus icon and can add the credentials of your card, the card number, expiry date, and CVV if required. Once you've added your card to your designated device, you will be able to simply use it, as I mentioned, to the payment device, and you can pay with it alongside with your Navy Federal card, and that is how you can add it. Now once you have a Navy Federal app in your mobile banking, when you have got the card, at the bottom automatically you will find an option of Apple Pay. Simply tap on it and it will guide through again through the interface where you will have to add in the card's information. So that's how easy it is to set up. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.